This is the automated equipment we produce. It automatically dispenses materials and works in conjunction with injection molding machines. When the manipulator dispenses materials into the material box to a specific quantity, the equipment will automatically operate to transport the material box away, and the next material box will repeat the previous process. When there are 2 to 3 material boxes at the bottom, the induction alarm will give a prompt, and the display will automatically record the quantity, saves labor, and the equipment can still work even if employees leave their posts temporarily.